All right, guys, 1999 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8 Triton. He was gifted this truck and he's like, I need sound out of it. I can't have it like this. He's been looking for body parts for it. So if you guys know anybody that has body parts for it that are not crazy high, let him know. He's fixing it up little by little. So let him know in the comments when you guys do see the video. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So we haven't touched it here. As you can see, it's got, it's fully straight pipe. Somebody else cut the cats off. And then we started here and ran true duals. He wanted a true dual system on it. So that's what we did right there. And then we installed the Borla ProXS muffler, part number 400286. Dual in, dual out, right there. Then two tailpipes out the back, one on each side, 2 1/4. It's a full 2 1/4 system, by the way, guys, if you didn't know. Borla ProXS. And then we finished it off nicely with some rolled 5-inch tips right there and right there. Came out really beautiful, really clean. There'll be a link in the description for that muffler, by the way, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And this is where it was widened. That's where we cut. And that's the system that we took off, the stock system that was on it. We cut all that off and true dualed it in its place. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. 99 Ford F-150 true duals with Borla ProXS. Go ahead. Much better. Is that exactly what you wanted? All right. He likes it, we like it. And we appreciate his service. He's in the National Guard, so we appreciate his service too. That's the nice thing about Borla ProXS is when it's an idle, look how quiet it is. Very quiet. Idle is like 72. And then when you get on it, perfect. Got a nice pop to it at the top.
He said now it sounds like a truck.
Yes, exactly. They just look good on them. So this side's really clean. You see that, guys? And he put a cold air intake on it too. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Back to the action. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. ProXS Ford F-150 99. All the way back to Lewisburg. We appreciate him bringing it down. Thanks for being a fan, man. Enjoy, guys.